Hello, Serena.
Hello, Cher.
Where are we going today?
Today we're going to experience what it's like to live like a Chinese emperor.
What exactly is so great about being an emperor?
The imperial kitchen, of course. Today we're visiting a restaurant with a cooking robot. This is Yushan Intelligence Cooking Robot. Its founder says he wants Chinese people around the world, as well as people overseas, to be able to enjoy Chinese food at the level of an ancient emperor's imperial cuisine.
The emperor has arrived!
We're here at this Yushan kitchen.
Our Yushan intelligent cooking robot has been in development since 2013, 13 years of refining the craft. It currently has 10 automated systems, built around a robotic arm design, with patents nationwide. This is our Yushan kitchen. Let me show everyone how it works.
When you were studying in France, did you ever order Kung Pao chicken at a restaurant?
I did.
Now watch it blanch the ingredients automatically. This is the blanching basket underneath. It knocks them off with the spatula, completely mimicking human movements.
I think this would be really great for Chinese restaurants overseas.
Exactly. Now we're starting the second step. Adding the oil. After blanching, it preheats the wok. It's electrically heated. The curved heating surface distributes the heat very evenly. So you get that authentic wok hei.
Look, it's just like a chef stir-frying.
It's basically a digital version of a chef's wok flipping technique.
It controls the heat really well.
It follows a chef's exact cooking techniques. It completely replicates them. Using artificial intelligence and automated algorithms, we're the first robot to fully standardize Chinese cooking. It can handle all 8 major Chinese cuisines.
And it adds seasonings based on how long the dish has been cooking.
Exactly. It completely replicates a chef's cooking techniques and skills.
Actually, are there 4 oil lines inside?
There are 9 lines, oil lines for peanut oil, rapeseed oil, various other oils, and soy sauce. Vinegar, cooking wine, and other seasonings. They're all dispensed automatically.
And things like MSG and chicken bouillon too.
Everything is precisely controlled, down to fractions of a gram.
You can add the other ingredients in there too, right?
Full of fresh, savory flavor. The cooking time for every ingredient is calculated in advance. It's all programmed in. Different dishes have different cooking times.
Let's take a look at the timer.
There are 59 seconds left until it's finished.
Look, every step has its ingredients accounted for.
One to one.
It's got plenty of wok hei. See that? Who says a cooking robot can't produce wok hei? Wow, that's fast. Look.
Done in 2 minutes.
Once the water boils, it washes the wok without detergent. Because it doesn't need detergent, it's very healthy, eco-friendly, and natural.
Actually, the part everyone likes least about cooking is washing the wok.
Look at it go! It's fully biomimetic with no dead spots.
It washes the wok automatically with high temperature boiling water. So it gets really clean.
This technology is exclusively ours.
a signature Chinese dish from Cantonese cuisine. Braised chicken with abalone and spotted Babylon snails. This is a classic Guangdong specialty. It's the kind of dish people usually only eat around Chinese New Year.
It's really good. I snuck a bite.
You sneaked a bite?
This is so good.
This is our seafood fried rice. Every grain of rice is perfectly glossy and translucent, and the shrimp are guaranteed to be crispy, fragrant, and delicious.
We're all staring at this dish, just waiting to dig in.
Crucian carp and tofu soup. Every piece of tofu keeps its shape and sharp edges. It won't fall apart. This Crucian carp is our locally raised variety. The robot pan-fries it in the wok until both sides are nicely browned. Then it slowly simmers it. Finished with chopped scallions on top.
Wow, what day is it today? Serena, happy birthday.